Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. Today we are in Canary Wharf and this is basically the place where I kind of started my photography journey. The first 2 years roughly I used to come alone here and I used to take a lot of photos of myself because I didn't have anyone to take photos of, and to be fair I didn't even have the courage or the skill necessary to actually take photos of others. So yeah, I was practicing on myself for roughly 2 years. I was coming by myself with a tripod, camera, and that was basically it. I was taking photos 2 days a week, roughly, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 hours a day. I was just coming here taking photos every day, every off day that I had from the restaurant I was working at. So I practice as often, as much as possible. Don't worry about what other people say, what level you think you're at. Do not compare yourself with others. Just you do you, because that's what I used to do. And when I used to look at others, I looked at them as an inspiration, not a comparison. So yeah, we're starting easy with a classic one. So today I am on the Samyang 35mm f1.8. We are on 1/1250 f1.8 ISO 160. Classic one. To be fair, when I first took this shot from here, I was like amazed. I was like, okay, this is New York. This is the best place to be for photography. I still think it's an amazing place, but I know for sure that there are many other places at least as beautiful as this one. So every time I was going out for to shoot for YouTube, I was worried that I had to charge the action camera because the battery was running out quite quickly. So I had to turn it off all the time. Sometimes I was missing important moments because I was turning it off in order to save battery. So I got these. They're third-party batteries. They are technically supposed to last around 150 minutes if I shoot 4K 30. I'm going to test them, but anyway, still, at least now I won't have to worry anymore about running out of battery, so I can shoot in peace and hopefully not miss any more important moments. This is not a paid ad or anything else. I just got them from Amazon. They're cheap, probably like 30 pounds. So yeah, I'm gonna link the link below just in case. But yeah, I'm not getting paid or anything. It was getting a bit bright out here, so I got an ND filter. I put the ND filter on. This is ND8. I have here another 3, like 16, 32 and 64 if I'm not mistaken. Cheap ones. The same from Amazon, from KF Concept. Again, not paid, just helping out. A lot of times people were asking me how am I doing my long exposure handheld. So what I do, as I said, I normally put a timer of 2 seconds and it's taking 3 shots. So once I press the shutter, after the timer goes off, it's gonna shoot 3 photos. And in order to help me stay steady, if I'm low, I just put my elbow on the knee or I just keep the camera tight to the body. One more thing that I'm doing that I forgot to say is I hold my breath. After the shutter goes off, I press, shutter goes off, and while those shots are being taken, I just hold my breath and hope for the best. Most of the time, I get clear shots. We are on 1/250 f20 ISO 100. Hopefully I can isolate a subject. If not, I'm just gonna erase the extra subjects. It's always a good idea to look up, especially in Canary Wharf. Classic one. Businessman action. Frame. Oh, and we have the subject. This looks interesting as well. Let me lower the ISO a bit. Nice classic one. Maybe I can catch a subject. I don't want to have too many people, but also I don't want to have it clear like this. I could use with one person maybe. Oh, perfect. One thing I forgot to say, it's on the other side of Big Easy. Sometimes in the first year when I came here, I shot my best photo ever taken on a phone. It was a rainy night, it was a bit of fog, it was amazing conditions for a photo shoot, and yeah, I took the photo on the phone. Yeah, when people are afraid to go out because the weather is shit, the photographer will make sure it's going to stay there. As I was saying, do not forget to look up, especially in Canary Wharf. Speaking of looking up, I have a photo idea, but I might have to change to my 24 to 70 because I need something a bit wider than this 35. To be fair, I love my 35, but probably mostly for portraits on streets. I realized that 24-70 it's more versatile, hence why I'm using it more often than I normally would have. Now it's better, we're good. Because I used my camera on a tripod and I didn't use the shoe or whatever that came with the tripod. I used this one that is from my gimbal. Yes, I was lazy and yeah, I had the camera on a tripod and I was just walking around. And because of all the movement, of course, this one was not wide enough to stay properly on the tripod. The camera fell off and I got this on my lens. It's a small crack. So yeah, don't be lazy. Use the shoe that comes with the tripod. Don't use this one from the gimbal. One over 50 f3.2 ISO 100. I looked at that building and it's roughly over £1 million for a 2-bedroom apartment, which translates to I will never ever live there. That's nice with that boat and the building in the middle. Okay. It's impossible not to get amazing shots at night in Canary Wharf. Okay, so I am on 1 over 40 f2.8 ISO 2500. One important thing that I forgot to tell you about is that on my Instagram I started making a series of videos, of reels, where if you comment LUT, you will get my most used LUT from my videos for free. So yeah, on any of my reels, recent reels, just comment LUT and you will receive a free LUT from me. The videos that you'll see, some of them may have some other effects added on them, so they might not reflect exactly the LUT, but it's more of a dark color LUT, I would say. But anyway, yes, check my videos, comment LUT, and try it for yourself. Edit on your videos. And if you do, tag me on the videos so I can put them on the stories. So we are on 1 over 15, f2.8, ISO 2000. That's it from me for today, guys. Don't forget, if you like the video, to like, share, subscribe, maybe leave a comment, why not? And also don't forget to follow on Instagram, it helps a lot. And until next time, keep shooting.